Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you very easy recipe of crispy and flavorful fried chicken. Get ready the ingredients and let's get started. Season 1.5 pounds of chicken with 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Mix thoroughly and then cover and leave for 20 to 30 minutes to rest. Meanwhile, beat 2 eggs with 2 tablespoons of milk and prepare the breading by combining 1.5 cups of flour with 1 teaspoon of paprika in a separate bowl. Cover each chicken in the egg mixture. Shake it gently to remove the excess. Place it in the breading mixture and coat thoroughly. Tap off the excess. Then repeat the procedure and cover chicken in egg and then a flour mixture. Place the chicken into 350 degrees Fahrenheit oil and fry for about 7 minutes on each side. Once the chicken is ready, remove from the oil and place on the paper towels. Let them rest for at least 10 minutes before serving. And this is it. Our delicious and crunchy chicken is ready. Bon appetit!